Welcome to Lechler GmbH, the European market leader for nozzle technology. We specialize in tank and equipment cleaning nozzles. We are delighted to introduce you to the latest product in our wide range of Lechler tank and equipment cleaning nozzles. The high-impact tank cleaning nozzle MeshClean belongs to our highest cleaning efficiency class due to its ability to remove extremely stubborn dirt. Its uniquely designed solid stream nozzles achieve top-class cleaning results where other cleaning nozzles struggle. The carefully adjusted mechanics ensure the speed and cleaning pattern are tailored perfectly to one another. The result is a reliable cleaning process that is both efficient and quick. There is more to consider with an integrated and hygienic product concept. This starts with the size. Comparable cleaners are often too big to install through the tank's existing inlet. Thanks to its extremely compact design, the MeshClean can easily be installed through an 80mm inlet. The optional Lechler Hygienic Fit adapter is suitable for particularly hygienic installations. With it, all threaded connections are encapsulated by a pair of O-rings, not only inside the MeshClean, but already at the connection to its supply line. Of course, you can still install the MeshClean with a conventional connection. The specially developed drive turbine and the patented gear unit ensure the perfect speed. The MeshClean is particularly hygienic and extremely robust thanks to its simple, open, flow-through design. This not only makes maintenance easier, but also significantly far less frequent. Another advantage to this product are our solid stream nozzles developed especially for the MeshClean. They direct a small amount of liquid specifically toward the MeshClean so that any product residues on the cleaner itself can be effectively removed. What's more, for a maximum clinical level of cleanliness, you can also operate your MeshClean using steam. Comprehensive and efficient tank and equipment cleaning from Lechler. We have the right solution for you. Just ask us.